Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into why Linux is the best OS for coding. You know, programming doesn't need the latest and greatest hardware, like gaming or video editing does. Even a Chromebook can get you started on your coding journey, but, the operating system you choose can make a big difference. So let's look at 5 reasons why Linux stands out for developers. First up, Linux is open source, community-driven, and highly customizable. Thanks to the GNU General Public License, the entire source code of the Linux kernel and distributions is open source and fully transparent. This means you can tweak your favorite Linux distro's UI by editing its source code. It's a coder's paradise. Plus, Linux has a strong, helpful community and tons of documentation, making troubleshooting a breeze. Unlike Windows 11, where updates can be buggy and cause compatibility issues, Linux updates are smoother and more reliable. And let's not forget the customizability. You can handpick the apps, modules, and services you want for your system. Linux is also more POSIX compliant than Windows, making it easier to port your apps to Mac OS and other Unix-based operating systems. It's like having a coding playground right on your desktop. Next, Linux has minimal system requirements. You don't need a powerful PC to create, edit, and debug programs. Got an old system lying around? Give it new life with Linux. You can even set up a headless SSH environment on really ancient hardware. Contrast this with Windows 11, which requires at least 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and a 64-bit CPU that supports TPM version 2. Plus, Linux is free from the bloatware and ads that come with Windows. Most development tools were originally designed for Unix-based systems, so you'll often get better performance out of IDEs and code editors on Linux. Linux has better package managers. Installing software on Windows can be a hassle. You have to download executables, navigate through installers, and manage directories. But with Linux, package managers like apt, pacman, and rpm make it a breeze. Just enter a command in the terminal, and you're done. Windows does have package managers like Winget and Chocolatey, but they can't compete with the robustness and integration of Linux's package managers. Chocolatey, for instance, requires a paid subscription for all its premium features, while Linux package managers are free and come with a vast number of modules. It's clear why Linux wins when it comes to simplicity in sharing and downloading packages. Learning Linux makes server management a lot easier. Linux is the OS of choice for most web servers and cloud platforms due to its performance, security, and scalability. Many server admin roles require knowledge of Bash and shell scripting, which are easily accessible via Linux terminals. The file systems, libraries, and terminal commands are similar between Linux distros and web servers, so mastering Linux gives you a significant advantage in server management. Plus, most Docker containers and virtual machines run on Linux, making it easier to jump into containerization. Lastly, while Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, is a great effort by Microsoft, it can't fully replace native Linux. WSL1 uses a translation layer, and although WSL2 runs a real Linux kernel via a lightweight utility VM, it still has its drawbacks. WSL2 is known for high memory usage and slower read-write times when modifying files on the Windows file system. It also doesn't support serial ports and the OpenCL API. WSL2 is good, but it's not perfect. If you want the full Linux experience, it's better to use Linux natively. So, should developers ditch Windows and switch to Linux? Not necessarily. For the average programmer who isn't ready to dual boot, Windows remains a decent OS. Especially if you're into .NET Framework or game development, Windows might still be your go-to. But if you want maximum convenience and efficient resource management, Linux is your best bet. It's excellent for DevOps, server management, and web development. Setting up Linux on your main PC can make navigating production environments easier and expose you to tools like Nagios, Webmin, and other Linux-exclusive development tools. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.